Have you ever wanted to speak Italian with confidence, not just learn a few sentences from an app? Whether you're traveling, learning for work, connecting with family or with your roots, or simply love Italian culture, LearnIt Cambridge has the perfect course for you. Our Italian for Beginners course is designed to give you a solid foundation in Italian in a relaxed and engaging environment. You'll have 10 lessons of 2 hours each, held on Tuesday evenings at the Stories-Field Centre in Eddington, Cambridge. Lessons start on the 28th of April, and if you join late, you'll simply pay for the remaining sessions. We also try to keep things as flexible as possible. From this January, we introduced a new option. If you know you're not going to be there for a certain lesson, we can try and organize a catch-up session online within the same week of the lesson you missed. In this way, you won't fall behind. By joining the course, you will receive the Nuovo Espresso 1 Plus textbook, access to online learning platforms such as Quizlet and Wordwall, where we create exercises that are aligned with the lessons of the course. Materials that allow you to practice anywhere, whether you are on a train or waiting for your MOT. A detailed follow-up email explaining what we covered, what to practice on during the week, and giving you extra tips to help you progress faster. Access to exclusive social and cultural events, including events that are designed specifically for beginners, like our Beginners Book Club. This course is ideal if you want to learn Italian properly from the beginning, with the guidance of an expert tutor and a clear structure that will help you progress step by step. By the end of the course, you'll understand the basics of Italian and you will be able to handle simple everyday situations such as ordering at a cafe or introducing yourself. The course is also part of a wider learning pathway that will help you move to the next level within 3 terms. If you're unsure about your level, simply get in touch for a friendly assessment. We'll help you find the right fit. Places are limited to ensure a personalized learning experience. For more information, including FAQs and payment options, simply scroll below this video. Ti aspettiamo!